Okay, so now we are going to ratchet the very last part. So this is the press. Again, the grapes and all the remains from the bottom of the...
underneath these blocks and underneath the lid that we had down there before.
Yeah, it's hard to see.
Right there.
Yeah, okay. So all the grape skins and seeds and whatever stems we still had are in there, and there's still a little bit of juice running. A little windy today.
I'm not even pressing it hard yet. So this is still considered free run until it's having to work at it hard. Now it's starting to get a little moist.
All right.
There you go.
There we go.